Welcome to Forestry Technology, where power is engineered, not improvised. At first glance, many of these machines look ordinary, but beneath steel frames and hydraulic lines lies decades of design, testing, and refinement. Forestry technology isn't about brute force alone. It's about control, efficiency, and how intelligently we reshape the land. Some machines don't hesitate, they dominate. Stump grinders that turn stubborn roots into dust in seconds don't care whether a stump is buried deep or standing tall. Precision and speed decide the outcome, and these machines deliver both without compromise. Engineering excellence shows up in professional machines as well. A splitter powered by a Honda diesel engine paired with a JCB hydraulic cylinder delivers reliability and precision. Hydraulic lifting systems reduce strain, while stable suspension allows easy transport. Built to work hard, built to... Innovation doesn't always come from factories. A homemade wood processor built from an old system shows what happens when experience meets creativity. Carefully upgraded and refined, it turns raw logs into manageable pieces with surprising efficiency. It feels personal, custom built for the task at hand. Hydraulic wood splitters continue to evolve. Intuitive four-way crank systems make splitting smoother than ever. Functional design meets visual clarity, proving that performance doesn't need to look aggressive to be effective. Add a lifting bar, and even oversized logs. Sustainability and creativity often overlap. A DIY chainsaw made from a recycled tire cuts birchwood with precision while running quietly. It's a reminder that innovation isn't always loud. Sometimes it's clever, efficient, and environmentally conscious. In large-scale forestry, balance matters. The Hypro 755 is a true titan, using mechanical arms like a sculptor's chisel. Massive logs are lifted, positioned, and processed with deliberate control. Chaos becomes order. The wild becomes manageable. Forestry harvesters with massive torque and precision grips cut through dense forests methodically. Each tree is processed with controlled force, raising the question, how long can such machines run before the forest finally pushes back? Some homemade machines rival commercial ones. Carefully selected components, reinforced structures, and thoughtful design choices turn simple splitters into serious tools. They don't just split wood, they dominate workloads with consistency. Material handling is just as important as cutting. High-performance log grapples use precision-engineered clamps and powerful hydraulics to move logs smoothly without manual effort. Durability and control define tools. Chainsaws still demand respect. Unique designs paired with skilled operators show how finesse can outperform brute strength. When technique matches the tool, cutting becomes faster, cleaner, and safer. Automation raises efficiency to another level. Circular saw systems with hydraulic adjustments cut 1-meter logs into consistent lengths with remarkable speed, processing up to 10 steers per hour. These machines are built for scalability, not shortcuts. Chippers continue to push boundaries. High-capacity machines with relentless shredding force devour massive logs in seconds. Oversized timber stops being a problem and becomes fuel, mulch, or biomass instead. The only real question becomes, how much can it handle? Ergonomics matter more than most people realize. Splitters designed with large working tables reduce strain and improve precision. Small design choices protect operators over long hours, turning comfort into productivity. The Enter-Green Robo-Green proves that immediately. Its relentless track system and high-powered mulcher flatten thick brush as if it were nothing. It moves steadily, confidently, clearing everything in its path. Terrain that once slowed progress now barely registers. Stump grinders don't negotiate. Spinning wheels tear through hardwood, sending sawdust flying. The work is relentless, and endurance becomes the real test, not power. Safety innovations matter too. Chainsaw holders stabilize cutting operations, reducing risk while maintaining efficiency. Even with automation, attention and discipline remain non-negotiable. Custom gasoline-powered woodcutters show how tailored solutions can transform small-scale projects. Faster cuts, smoother operation, and better workflow turn effort into progress. Winter forestry introduces new challenges. Machines built to operate in snow and ice prove their worth with immense torque and controlled traction. Cold doesn't slow them, it sharpens the test. Precision tools like bandsaws remind us that not all power is explosive. Smooth, seamless cuts turn complex woodworking into controlled motion. Accuracy and speed redefine craftsmanship. Brush cutters with massive output clear overgrown fields effortlessly. Tangled vegetation disappears, leaving clean ground behind. Raw power clears the way, but control defines success. Excavator-mounted stump pullers grip and rip roots straight from the earth. No hesitation, no wasted motion, just focused extraction. Professional log splitters streamline workflows. Integrated conveyors move processed wood directly to vehicles, eliminating unnecessary handling and saving time across entire operations. Stump grinding machines built for land clearing pulverize solid wood into mulch within seconds. Fast, aggressive, and efficient, they redefine how quickly land can be restored. Combined sawing and splitting systems eliminate long hours of manual labor. Automation prepares firewood faster and more consistently, especially when winter demand is approaching. Even great tools have limitations. Splitter stands clogged with chips remind operators that preparation and clean workspaces are part of efficiency. Maintenance prevents downtime. Modern excavators equipped with specialized splitting and processing tools handle century-old oak with precision. Massive trunks are reduced with minimal waste, maximizing usable material. Excavators like the Komatsu PC 210 combine hydraulic precision with eco-efficient operation. Material handling, land clearing, and cost reduction come together in a single platform. At the end of the day, wood splitters, grinders, chippers, and harvesters all serve the same goal: turning raw material into value, turning effort into efficiency. High-capacity chippers with powerful hydraulics finish the job, reducing hardwoods into fine chips within seconds. Nothing is wasted. Everything is processed.